Welcome to the demo scene for the Jumper character from Infinity PBR by Magic Pig Games. The latest character that's quite the cute little monster here with a, with a ton of customization options. So let's get right into it. We got the demo scene here. I'm going to reset everything. All right, this is the Jumper. We've got a lot of options here. We do have 10 body textures that come with the package all ready to go. You can use these, or you can use the Substance Painter source files to create your own textures. All of these textures are in the Substance Painter files and layers, so you can see how we've accomplished the dots or other things here, and you can just copy that layer if you want to make slight modifications or more modifications or build on top of that. So you can get a lot of different looks out of the character just by going through the various texture sets there. We also have a whole bunch of eyes. There are additional eyes that are specific to the Jumper, but then there are all the other eyes. Now that we have standardized the eye textures, you can use other eyes from other characters, as you see here in the Jumper as well. But it comes with a number of unique eyes specifically for the Jumper, since he does have these large eyeballs there. We have the mesh morphing. You can turn these objects off and on. The teeth, the tongue, the claws. Kind of see, you can't really see the claws there, really down there at on the little toes. Most likely you won't turn off the tongue or the claws, or probably even the teeth, but the spikes certainly can add a layer of difficulty for the characters that have spikes versus those that do not. We also have the mesh morphing. This allows you to create custom looks by modifying the mesh itself. You can randomize this at runtime, or you can build unique looks and have them set for your various characters. And you can reset to the default value there. And of course, super random is randomizing all of these values together, so you can get a sense of all the different looks that you can achieve just by randomizing the textures, the meshes themselves, and the blend shapes via with mesh morphing as well. So there's a lot you can do here. You could of course even mix and match the spike textures with the textures from the other bodies. So if you wanted to get, this white spikes with this black texture with this black body, you could do that as well. So there's a lot of options here. All right, let's check out the animations. So we do have some automated styles here for the idle. You can see he's kind of transitioning randomly between two different idle styles. You can turn that off if you just want to stick with one idle style, but if we do provide two idles so that you can get some more dynamic and fluid and realistic idle animations from him. You won't see, if you have 10 of these on the screen and they're all being automated, they won't be doing the same thing, even if they're on the exact same loop, because they'll be blending between the two styles on their own. We also have our locomotion, so you can do a walk forward, which is right here. And we also have the run forward, which is a much faster sort of hop run. We're going to skip ahead to the hops here, or to the jumps. You can see that as we're running, the jump is fast, and you can see that here as well. Whoops. I think I jumped through the reset position. And then if we are not running, then the jump is straight up in the air. We also have the walk backwards. You can blend between a slower walk backwards and a faster walk backwards. He's got a pretty quick backward walk going on here. We also have the strafe right and the strafe left, and you can of course blend these as well together. We have our directional got hit here, so the character can be hit from any direction and will react accordingly from the direction he gets hit. It's very easy to call this in one line of code for the in the script. Just set in the position of the thing that's hitting it, and the code will do the rest for you. We also have 4 different attacks here. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit because his attacks can be quite acrobatic. So this attack goes back to where he starts, but this attack is a kick forward. And then we have a simple chomp here. Swipe. And a back kick. So if you got someone behind him, then he can kick back. Powerful legs. We have our dodge animation, a quick little dodge backwards, and our idle break. I love the eyes and the mouth. Very, very emotive. We have our taunt animation as well. Love that. We have the ability to hop left, hop right, hop forward. So you can do simple hops forward rather than the walk if you'd like. Same thing here. You could loop that and just have a constant hop left and right. And our death animation. There's a dead jumper. So a lot going on here. A great character. It's cute, but also can be a very ferocious monster, I believe, in your project. So have a look. Let me know what you think on the Discord, and I will see you real soon. Thanks.